Hi guys, forgive me. I am snacking on ginger biscuits to stay awake because it's 12:15 right now. I am so grateful to each and every one of you, and I'm so grateful for the comment and the love that I received from the other video. So today is Saturday. In fact, it's the second. It's the second, and today we are having quite a day. So we're having a worship night tonight, and the rest of the weekend is gonna be quite interesting, but there's not much really planned. I believe on Sunday, fingers crossed, I'm supposed to film a video with my brothers, hopefully. So yeah, I'm currently trying to finish uploading a video. Let me show you guys. So currently trying to upload a video, and it's on, is it gonna focus? Okay, right now it's on 79%, so that's like 6 minutes. Guys, I've been waiting for this to upload for so long and I'm so tired, but yeah, I hope you guys will enjoy. I hope you guys will enjoy it. I need to put it, let's zoom in. Oh my gosh, y'all can see my pimple. Let me zoom out. Okay, so yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. If you are a new subscriber, welcome, a very warm welcome to you. My name is Florence, and this channel is based on Christian faith, lifestyle content, and music, and everything else in between, honey. Okay, so yeah, stay tuned, and yeah guys, I'm very sleepy right now, but yeah, stay tuned, and I'll see you guys as the rest of the vlog continues. Coming our way, our way, our way. Blessings on blessings, yeah. I see the blessings coming our way, yeah. Good morning, guys. It's 10 o'clock, and my eldest brother is taking me to the venue where we are having the worship night. So I'm gonna be filming behind the scenes, and then you guys will get to see Pride, Panache, and Sounds of Worship doing their thing. Sounds of Worship, sound check, and all that good stuff. So yeah, do continue watching.
Focus on his face. I don't gotta know it all. That's a different type of faith. Hold up, I know you gon' show up every time. When I'm good, when I'm bad, when I'm low, when I'm high, yeah. When I'm lost, look to God, he my guide, yeah. Haters talk, let them talk, no reply, yeah. Wait, I find strength inside my weakness. My strength, yeah. Expectations, you exceed them. Do my best, you supersede.
Okay guys, so we are finally at the venue. You guys can't really see. Yeah. So yeah, we are here, and I'm just gonna be giving you guys a bit of behind the scenes, and hopefully you guys can hear me well. So right outside there we have the team, the backing vocalist. I hope you guys can see. And then over the side we have the sound check is happening right there. This is the venue. So I am trying to be dressed as comfortably as possible.
Welcome to the 2021 Worship Aloud Music Festival's third edition, brought to you by Minister Pride and Sounds of Worship. Sounds of Worship is a music ministry that was established in 2010 by Pride Panache of Gize, a genuine lover of Jesus Christ and a relentless God chaser. The aim is to create a platform for worshippers to gather and encounter Jesus. Minister Pride Panache and his beautiful wife, Namibian of Gize, are delighted to have you joining us at this year's Worship Aloud 2021 Music Festival. Ministering tonight will be Minister Benjamin Cooper, Minister Joy Shalom Nyati, Minister Elizabeth Mklaka, and of course, Minister Pride Panache.
Guys, it's a wrap with sound check. I will continue the vlog. Do continue watching. Hey guys, I'm here with your face. Look at, say hi to my vlog.
Hello.
Guys, please go subscribe to their channel.
How are you guys? We are here with Fearless. Okay. We're about to have a good time.
Yes, thank you guys. Hi guys, so the worship night is finally done. I'm wearing my Sounds of Worship t-shirt. It is in grey. If you are in Namibia, Vinduk to be precise, you can purchase your t-shirt at 100 Namibian dollars, which is about 8 US dollars. So yeah, right about now we are cleaning up the place and just prepping up for the service for tomorrow. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this vlog, this few days in my life behind the scenes with Sounds of Worship. Yeah, have a beautiful week and God bless you. Stay fearless.